This is not a performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Weeklong, the Zulu royal reed dance. A living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together. Not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of Kwahangala-Monkengane Royal Palace to the ancestral grounds of Enyokeni Royal Palace. This is the story of dignity, told through song, movement, and belief.